everyone, and welcome back to this channel. And today we're doing a comparison between NetSuite and Hubdoc. So let's get started. Want to see who the financial brain for your business is? Does your business need a better way to handle its finances? Well, today it's not just about bookkeeping, it's about intelligence. But do you need a full command center or a brilliant assistant? Today we're comparing the enterprise giant NetSuite with the automated specialist Hubdoc. Let's see and find out which one is the right brain for your business. When you look at what it is, NetSuite is the all-in-one universe, a full ERP suite, while Hubdoc is the master of one. It's a document data capture tool. When we look at who or what they're best for, NetSuite is best for large, scaling businesses that need to manage everything from finance to inventory in one place, while Hubdoc is for small to medium businesses that are drowning in paper receipts and bills and use Xero, Xero, or QuickBooks Online. When we look at their key strengths, NetSuite has total integration that seamlessly connects financials, CRM, and e-commerce. It is your entire business operating system, while Hubdoc has pure automation. It uses AI to snap a pic of a receipt or bill and automatically extracts the data into your accounting software. Now let's look at the reality. NetSuite is powerful but complex and requires significant setup and a team to manage it. So it's like a con. While Hubdoc's con is that it is laser focused and incredibly easy to use, but it does only one job perfectly. Lastly, let's look at the edge they have. NetSuite has predictive analytics and AI-driven forecasting across your entire business, while Hubdoc has near-perfect OCR, that is optical character recognition, accuracy, making data entry a thing of the past. So the choice is actually pretty clear. NetSuite is the ultimate command center for your entire company, while Hubdoc, on the other hand, is a superstar specialist that automates the most tedious part of bookkeeping. They are not direct rivals because they serve completely different needs. To put it simply, if you are running a large empire and need to see everything, you need NetSuite. But if you're a busy business owner who just wants to stop manually typing receipts, you need Hubdoc. Does this help you decide? Let me know which tool is a better fit for your business in the comments. If you found this comparison helpful, please give this video a like and subscribe for more tech showdowns. Thanks for watching.